Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you a Polymarket weather trading bot tutorial. First, create your accounts. You need a Polymarket account, a crypto wallet with USDC on Polygon, and access to a weather API such as NOA or OpenWeather. Next, connect the Polymarket API. Use the Polymarket API or cloud system to get market data from weather prediction markets. The bot reads yes or no prices and calculates the probability implied by the market. Now, fetch weather data. The bot pulls real forecast data such as temperature, rain probability, and storm alerts. Common sources used in real bots include NOA, HRRR, and ECMDUF models. Then, calculate the edge. The bot compares the real weather forecast probability with the Polymarket market price, which represents crowd probability. If the difference is large, it creates a trade signal. After that, execute trades automatically. The bot buys yes or no shares, uses the API to place orders, and sets a stop loss and profit target. Next, add risk management. Only trade when the edge is greater than 10 to 20%, use small position sizes, and avoid low liquidity markets. Now, automate everything. Advanced bots run every 5 to 15 minutes, recalculate forecasts, and adjust positions automatically. Finally, use simple bot logic. For example, if the forecast probability is greater than the market probability by 0.15, buy yes, and if the forecast probability is lower than the market probability by 0.15, buy no. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.